Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either.